Do you really know your Windows 11 system? Or are you missing out on features you didn't even know existed? Today, I'm going to show you some strange, powerful, and surprisingly useful features hidden inside the Windows settings that many users never discover. These tools can improve productivity, troubleshooting, security, and convenience, and chances are you have never tried them before. So, without wasting any time, let's open the settings and explore together. First, right click on the Windows icon and choose Settings. From the left side, click System. Now scroll down and find for Developers. Click it. If developer mode is disabled, you will notice the device portal option is grayed out. To activate it, enable developer mode and click Yes. Now the device portal section becomes highlighted. Click its drop down and you will see additional options. Device portal is a web-based diagnostic and management interface mainly used by developers and IT administrators. It lets you configure system settings, deploy applications, monitor CPU, memory, GPU performance, and access data remotely through a browser. Now toggle device portal on. It will say that Windows needs to install the developer mode package. Click Yes. Now you will see a message that a new feature is being added. Please wait until installation completes. Now if you want to monitor progress, click View Features. And you will see the developer package installing. Once done, return to Device Portal settings. Now turn off Restricted to Loopback connection only. And then turn on Authentication. Click Edit and create your username and password. Click Apply and then click on Yes. Below, you will see connection links such as localhost and Ethernet. I recommended selecting localhost. Click on it. Then browser opens. Now click Continue with Unsecured Connection. Then enter the same username and password. After that, click on Sign In. Now you will see the full dashboard, App Manager, Running Apps, File Explorer, Performance Monitor, etc. Anyone with your link and credentials can view this remotely, which makes it very useful for remote troubleshooting. Open Settings again. Go to Accessibility. Then scroll to bottom and click Eye Control. Many users don't realize Windows supports eye tracking hardware natively, meaning you can click, type, navigate using only your eyes. You will need compatible hardware such as Tobii eye tracking device, but no third-party software is required. Once connected, you can control your PC completely through eye movement. Under Settings, go to System, then go to For Developers. Now find End Task option and enable it. Now open any app and right-click its icon on the taskbar. Normally, you only see limited options like Close Window, Unpin from Taskbar and Open New Window. But after enabling these settings, you will now see End Task directly. If a program freezes, instead of opening Task Manager, you can instantly force close it from the taskbar. This is faster and very convenient. Press Windows key plus V. Now you will see the clipboard panel. If it's off, turn it on. Now Windows saves multiple copied items. But here's the surprising part. If you use the same Microsoft account on multiple devices, your clipboard can sync across them. That means anything copied on the device can be pasted on another device instantly. Under Settings, go to System. Then go to Nearby Sharing. This lets you share files, photos, links with nearby Windows devices using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. You can choose My Devices Only or Everyone Nearby. You can also change save location, rename your device and control visibility. Enable it and you can instantly transfer files between nearby PCs. Now select the files you want to send to your other device. Once selected, right click and choose Share. Then click on Nearby Sharing. Select the target device. And just like that, your files are sent successfully. Under Settings, go to Accounts. Now go to Sign In options. Now scroll to Dynamic Lock. Enable it. It allows Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away. This works by tracking your phone's Bluetooth signal. When your phone moves far from the PC, the computer locks automatically. This is perfect if you leave your desk and want your system secured without pressing Windows plus L manually. So these were some powerful Windows features many users don't even know exist. I truly hope you discovered something useful today. Please share in the comments which feature surprised you the most. I would genuinely love to know. And if you find this helpful, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.